Hi, Kadena Tate here from KadenaTate.com. Today I want to share with you the number one mistake that a lot of entrepreneurs make that they don't want to confess to, but it's a huge money, time, and energy drain. And that is selection of the wrong target audience. I'm going to let that sit in for a moment. The first thing that we do that we don't tell the truth about is we work with people who are not willing to pay for our solution. They can see the value, which is why they say, I want what you have, but I have no money. So what I want you to think about is your ideal client will raise their hand and say, I have a problem. I know I have a problem. I'm ready to solve the problem. And I would like to invest in myself through you to achieve a solution, which means they're willing to do the work. If they do not fit that criteria, they are not your perfect people, and you will lose time, money, and resources. So I want you to really get clear about who are the people who, when you show up, will scream, yay, he or she is here. I want you to think about that. And then I want you to think about how you're going to build a lifelong relationship with those people so that long after the sale, they're going to refer you to their family and friends. So I will continue this conversation about target audience on tomorrow. I'll tell you where to find them, how to massage those relationships, and really just how to grow a sustainable business with mutually beneficial relationships. My name is Kadena Tate. Visit me at KadenaTate.com. Thank you.